What's up, guys? On today's video we're going to be repairing the rear end on this Chevy Cruze. It's the 2015 to like 2020 something generation, body style, whatever you want to call it. I started off by removing the plastic brackets that it has attached to the rear body panel. In order to get access to my rear body panel, I need to reveal all of the spot welds that need to be removed in order to remove the rear body panel. All you're seeing here is basically me using a 1/4-inch drill and drilling out the head of the blind rivet. You can see how it just shreds it up there. And once you remove that, it gives you access to your rear body panel, pretty much, and the spot welds behind it. Once I got access to that, I went ahead and used my seam sealer remover tool, and I started removing all of the seam sealer. This is why it looks like it's bare metal, because I already did that prior to removing the spot welds. Once you remove the seam sealer, you can go ahead and start removing your spot welds pretty much. And this is all you're pretty much seeing here. It's just me removing every single spot weld that needs to be removed. In order to remove the rear body panel, I went ahead and used my belt sander, and I removed each spot weld individually. And this is how it's supposed to look after you have grounded down the spot weld. That's how you know you have a proper separation. I also grounded down all the spot welds around the frame rail, the frame rail bracket that you're seeing here. This is getting replaced. It comes attached to the new rear body panel. I grounded all of those down, and now I'm just hitting it with my air hammer, and it has the attachment to remove the spot welds a lot quicker. I sped all of this up because I'm pretty much just separating the sheet metal from the body, meaning the rear body panel from the actual body of the car itself. And as you can see, it just goes through it like you're slicing butter, because the spot welds have been removed and there's nothing holding on to the body itself. You never want to give your hammer full throttle, because then you end up damaging what's actually going to be used. So that's why you have to kind of be gentle when you use it. After all of it has been separated, it just comes off right on its own, man. That's pretty much it right there. Now it's time to pre-fit the rear body panel onto the car, make sure my gaps and my lines and everything was fitting flush, nice and even, before I permanently weld the rear body panel onto the car. I have this tool here that I'm using. It's a plier clamp set, and it comes with these clamps that go located on the pinch welds and basically hold the panel to the car without drilling any holes or any sheet metal screws through the sheet metal, basically. Although you'll see later on that I do run two sheet metal screws on the rear body panel, but I use those more as guide holes. So when I remove the rear body panel after I prep it and I'm ready to permanently weld it, I know that that's where it's supposed to be at, and this is where I have to reinstall when I go back to weld the panel back on. Once I install my guide sheet metal screws, I go ahead and close my trunk, and you can see that my gaps are sitting nice and flush. I didn't show it, but I did measure the bumper as well. And after I realized that everything was sitting where it needed to be, I went ahead and started spot welding the rear body panel onto the car. This is pretty much it, guys. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. I just went ahead and finished with the spot welding, and you're going to see what it looked like afterwards when we were done with painting and rebuilding the car. But like I said, don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. I really do appreciate it. Sorry that I haven't been constant with my videos or posting anything recently, but yeah. I appreciate you guys that continue to keep coming back to watch the videos. But this is it here, guys. Hope you guys enjoy it. Let me know what you guys think. I'll see you guys around for more.